You ate a full meal, still hungry? Here's why. You just ate a full plate, but after 1 hour, you're hungry again. It's not your fault, it's your hormones. Let's explain scientific reason. When you eat refined carbs like white rice, white roti, or sweets, your blood sugar spikes fast and then drops quickly. This sudden fall makes your body release ghrelin, the hunger hormone again. You feel hungry even after eating. Second reason, lack of protein and fiber. Without them, food digests too fast, no satiety, no fullness. Also, poor sleep or stress can disturb leptin, the fullness hormone. Solution 4055S. Add protein, egg, lentils, chicken. Add fiber, salad, vegetables. Eat slowly, chew well, sleep well, and reduce stress. Remember, hunger is not just about food, it's about hormones. Follow Student Dietitian PK for more science-based nutrition tips.